Welcome to Coffee with Professor Oliver. I am glad you are here. This space is meant to be simple, a moment to pause, to breathe, and to explore what happiness really means in the middle of everyday life. People sometimes ask how I ended up working in this field, and the honest answer is that it began during a time in my life when things changed direction very quickly. Life has this surprising ability to shift faster than we expect. One day you feel certain about who you are and where you're going, and the next day everything changes. And you have to redefine yourself from the beginning again. It wasn't dramatic, and it wasn't insignificant either. It was simply one of those chapters that makes you pause, take a step back, and rethink what actually matters. That experience shaped how I understand happiness today. Not as a constant emotional high, and not as this idea of staying positive, but as a kind of inner balance, a stability you return to when life becomes unpredictable. So here, in this broadcast, I'm not here to lecture or preach. I'm here to share observations, reflections, and ideas that may help life feel clearer, lighter, and easier to navigate. If you're here with me today, thank you very much. Let's keep it calm, keep it honest, and take this journey one conversation at a time. Thank you for listening. Bis bald und hebt Sorg.